Hi besties, how are you guys doing? Welcome to day 4 of this challenge. Okay, I am super excited that this is going so well. We are making improvements. Okay, let me know in the comment section, were you doing this challenge with me, or do you think you've learned something from this challenge? If you have, let me know in the comment section. So this is day 4 and I am so happy that you're making progress. Let's see if we can finish this in a day, or let's say in 2 days. I don't know yet, but I'm just happy that we're making progress. If this is your first time you are coming across my video, I make tutorial videos on how to ventilate hair, how to make braided wigs, how to make your own hair, how to make fullest, how to make closures, front outs, everything concerning hair. Simple hair hacks you can do yourself. That's what I do on this channel, and sometimes I do share vlogs, but not as much as I do share tutorial videos. So if it's first time you're coming by, join the family by hitting the subscribe button, the notification bell, so that once I upload new videos, you'll get notified. Trust me, after this challenge I have tutorials coming to you back to back. So guys, this is day 4. I'm done with the back and then the center section. I have just the front left. Now the question is, will I be able to finish this in a day, or is it going to take me 2 days or more than that? I basically do not know, but let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. I think am I slow? I think I'm slow, but considering the situation surrounding this challenge, I think I am trying my possible best, because I know what I'm doing behind the camera, taking care of a baby and doing all that stuff, and I'm able to do this. I think I'm trying my best. So see you guys in the next day challenge, which is tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in my next upload. Please do not forget to like, do not forget to share, do not forget to comment. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. You know you're free to ask anything. Thank you guys for riding with me once again. Bye.